Good morning. Well, the stuff from Blues Birds Toys came today. So, and I'm trying this on my cell phone camera because the other one doesn't have any lighting. And I'm hoping this will turn out better than that one did. Razor knife. See if we can open this. Yay! No, I did miss that side. Our mailman, Mr. Reliable, left it in the front entry, which just makes me mad as heck. So, let's see what we got. I know what I ordered, so. For all you that don't understand what packing paper means to a bird, once I get packing paper and it's all wrinkled, I will take an iron. Whoa! Back!